Welcome to Norway, where a whole new universe is waiting for you. Endless landscapes, glistering waters, sky-piercing mountains, airy cities, and only 15 people per square kilometer makes Norway out of this world. With a coastline over 25,000 kilometers long, there's always something new beyond the horizon. Personal space isn't a privilege here, it's geography. Welcome to the most beautiful country in the world.
Welcome to the country of midnight sun, Norway.
Norway is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. We manifest this trip from long back. Finally, we are going to our dream Norway road trip. We will start our 8 days road trip from Oslo. From Oslo, we'll go to Sogndal Fjord to Bergen, Bergen to Lopen to Hemsedal, then again Hemsedal to Oslo. We'll cover approx 2000 km road and will enjoy the stunning views of Norway. So let me take you to the epic Norway road trip. Today is 3rd August and now it's morning 5. And we are heading towards airport. We'll board flight from Stockholm at morning 7:30. It will take just 45 minutes to reach Oslo. This time, 2 of our friends are coming with us in this trip. We landed at Oslo airport. Now we'll collect our luggage and take rental car from airport parking. You can find all the rental car companies' office inside Oslo airport. We booked our car from budget cars through rentalcars.com. In Norway, 90% cars are electric. We also want to experience electric car driving, so this time we booked Volkswagen ID3. We'll definitely inform you about the availability of charging station, range of car, how to charge an electric car, everything. We collect car keys from budget cars office and came to parking. It is recommended to take a video of the car for your reference so that you will have proof of scratches, dents or any other damages if any. We start our journey. Our today's destination is a small picture-perfect village of Norway's Vestland County, Sogndal Fjord. On the way, first we'll visit rock carving at Molastrufossen and a picture-perfect village Lomen's Viking-style Stave Church. Then we'll cross fjord in ferry with our car. This will be a unique and new experience. Norway is one of the most expensive countries in the world and Norway's food is super expensive. If you want to do a budget trip, you have to cook your own food. We will use our Airbnb's kitchen and cook our food. That's how we'll save a lot on unnecessary food expenses and get the comfort of home cooked food. Our first and most important stop is supermarket. We came to Kiwi supermarket for grocery shopping. We are carrying basic rice dal from home we will buy some basic groceries like potatoes, eggs, oil for cooking. After shopping, again we started our journey towards Sogndal fjord. Norway is country of tunnels. Almost 900 tunnels are there in Norway. Norway is having world's longest tunnel, which is a 25-kilometer long tunnel. We will drive through that tunnel tomorrow and share our experiences with you. We didn't do breakfast and all are very hungry. Now we found a K-Circle gas station. There in a pizza shop we ordered pizza for lunch. Our lunch, let's start our road trip again. Norway is renowned for its stunning natural beauty. The more we are exploring Norway, the more we are falling in love with this country. Tomo is feeling a little bit tired, so now our friend is driving for some time. Then again Shomo will take charge of driving. Driving in Norway can be very challenging if you are not used to driving in Scandinavian countries due to narrow roads, tunnels, hairpin bends. Moreover, Norway is the strictest country to drive in the world. Came to our first stop, rock carving at Molastofossen. A 6,000-year-old rock carving of Stone Age. This carving is on a riverbed where we can see 11 figures of moose and 2 figures which cannot be explained. The carvings are more than 6,000 years old. This area must have been an important place for moose hunters of the Stone Age. May have been a meeting place for sacred rituals that mean to maintain the tradition of the lifestyle and honor of the community of the tribe. In the middle, there is a carving of a mighty moose horn with great antlers. An oval-shaped figure in the animal's abdomen may represent its heart. We are running very late. Last ferry to Sogndal fjord is at night 11:45. We have to reach there before 11:45, otherwise we'll stuck. And we also have to charge our car, which take almost 30 to 45 minutes of time. So we have to reach to the charging station as soon as possible. Seeing those stunning views, we couldn't resist ourselves from stopping beside roads. Finally, we came to one charging station. Norway, you have to install app to charge your vehicle. There, you have to register your vehicle to charge. We are using Elton app. Fast charging takes around 20 to 25 minutes. From here, we came our second stop, Lomen Stave Church. This Viking-style steep church is an excellent example of the Viking architecture. In today's Norway, there are only 28 steep churches are remaining. Vikings created these wooden steep churches without any nuts and bolts. Lomen Stave Church is also a wooden church which has its Viking root. Now it's night, 9 o'clock. Till now sun didn't set, but due to cloud we couldn't see any sun properly. We are crossing spectacular landscapes, stunning villages. Time is telling we are extremely late. Maybe we'll reach last minute before last fete. Finally, we reached to the ferry station. We can see the last ferry is coming. The only way to connect these small islands with mainland is these electric ferries. After crossing stunning fjord, we finally reached to Sogndal fjord. Now it's night 12:15 and sun is setting now. I am ending today's vlog. Please watch our Norway travel series and do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.